Morning, sir. This is Battle Axe, and this is our gate. And after inside, then here is the security people room for open the gate or not, like that. And here, this is for the airbag jack building, and the whole line is Battle Axe, belong to Battle Axe. Okay, and this is the machinery. Okay. This is machinery and spare parts making detective, and this building is for the scissor lift before, but now we cutting the scissor lift because the scissor lift selling is not good. So this building now is for wheel alignment cabinet box making, and here place we already rent out to other factory. Because it's too big factory and we cannot use it, so we rent out. So this is this part we already rent out, and this building, and that building is my office building. You can see the environment. Oh yes, this is the office building, and that place is for the owner, my boss office, and here place is for the meeting room, and here the first floor is for the staff office, my office, and sales office, and after sales service, and document service, detective account department. And the picture is for our salesperson and service people, our staff. Okay, and this is our land for parking vehicles. Okay, and we have the chassis instruction to training people what is angles for like a toe angle, camber, caster, detective. And also over here, this is the chassis construction. So to training people what is a toe angle detective. So two pieces. And here is the wheel alignment workshop.